What's up everybody, this is Derek here and welcome to another video. Today we are going to be taking a look at how I integrate my Ring Chime into my existing Ring Video Doorbell 2 setup. So I purchased this chime to act as a way to know that somebody's at my door without me having my phone on me. So this chime plugs into an outlet and it interfaces with the Ring Video Doorbell 2 so that when somebody rings the doorbell, it also rings the chime. So we are going to take a look at the app today. Here is the app, and we're going to find out how to set up this Ring Chime. So we're going to go to Setup here, and we're going to be setting up a chime. So we'll go here, and the Chime and the Chime Pro are the two available units right now. The Chime Pro is also a Wi-Fi extender. I just wanted the Chime because I have a good Wi-Fi signal where the Ring Video Doorbell 2 is going. So we'll set up a chime. It says plug it into a standard wall outlet. This is a very sketchy power cord, however it also works, or it should work at least. So we will plug this in and it should be on. Okay, so I will turn off the video light super quick. That way you can see what I see, which is a very, there you go. So you can see that Ring logo is pulsing blue right now. And that's hard to see with the video light on because it's a very dim light. Like I said, a firmware update actually reduced the intensity of that light because some people were complaining it was too bright in rooms that they wanted dark like a bedroom. So plug it into a standard wall outlet. We'll get that to focus, and we did that. And what would you like to name it? We will call it Upstairs. So it actually just asked me to confirm my address, so I'm just going to do that off camera, and I'm going to click continue. And then tap continue once the Ring logo begins to pulse slowly. So we're going to be waiting for this to pulse slowly. And I would argue that is slow. It's very similar to what we see on the screen. So I'll say continue. Now navigate to the Wi-Fi settings and select the chime on your the chime network. So now I'm just going to my Wi-Fi settings, and mine is named Chime Dash, and then there's some alphanumeric characters, probably an identifier of some sort. It says it's an unsecure network, and I have connected to it. So now I actually got a connection successful, and it's going to ask me which Wi-Fi network I want my chime to connect to. So I'm going to select my home Wi-Fi network. And now I'm going to enter the password for that network. Okay, so my chime is now connecting to my home Wi-Fi network. You can see it's flashing blue quicker now. And it says, congratulations, setup is complete. So we'll just go ahead and let it focus on that like that. So now turn this light back on just so the video is a little bit better. And we will go ahead and click continue. And it says link devices. So now front door is the name of my Ring Video Doorbell 2, and you can see that the chime will display ring alerts and or motion alerts. So you can select it for either one. I'm just going to say ring right now. We've updated that. We'll go ahead and say done. And then it says upstairs is offline. There may be an issue with your Wi-Fi connection. So let's see if we can get it to connect. Okay, so my device health, it says signal strength good. Network name is my Wi-Fi network. My firmware is up to date. Everything looks good there, so you can see here. And I'll do another video going more into depth in what configuration options there are on the Ring app for this chime. But right now, we're just going to test it real quick. So we're going to see how it works. So we're going to push the video doorbell, and then we're going to see if the chime does anything. Okay, so the chime basically made a sound the same time the video doorbell did, which was within a second, and I immediately got an alert on my phone too. So that's pretty cool, and like I said, be on the lookout for a future video where we go into the configuration options of the chime. We'll see what sorts of sounds we can mess around with and what other options we get to configure. And Thanks for watching. If you enjoy this sort of content, be sure to subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you guys in a future video soon. So thanks.